Stop paying to edit PDFs. Every time I finish editing a PDF, boom, I see enter your credit card, and that is super annoying. So I build my own PDF editor tools, and this is pdf2editor.com. It's very simple. You can upload your file. After the file is uploaded, you can start. To edit a text, you can select the text. Do you want to change? Or you can add other text using this input, my test here. Change the color, font, size, spacing. Bold or italic. That is very simple. Also, I want to say this tool is not perfect yet. For complex PDFs. Just drag a white rectangle over the old text and write your own on top. My test, you can change the size, the color, choose a different position, and continue. Export the PDF, download the PDF, and that is very easy. If you have any ideas or tools you want, leave a comment. If enough people want it, I will build it. Link in bio, pdf2editor.com.